Hello guys, welcome back. How soon will AI replace your job? Spoiler, it's already happening. And by the end of 2025, millions will be impacted. In today's videos, I'll show you how AI is replacing jobs in 2025, which careers are most at risk, which ones are safe, and most importantly, how you can stay ahead before it is too late. Don't wait until you get replaced. Watch until the end. AI technology like ChatGPT, Sora, Midjourney, and more are no longer experiments. They are tools companies are using right now to cut costs and replace workers. 2025 is the tipping point. If you're asking yourself, will AI take my job? The answer for many industries is yes, it will. But if you adapt fast, you can actually thrive in this new AI-powered world. So let's dive in. The first job is the customer service representatives. AI chatbots like ChatGPT and Anthropic's Cloud are already handling 90% of customers' inquiries faster, cheaper than human beings. The second job at risk is content writers and copywriters. Blogs, ads, social posts, etc. AI is now creating them better than most beginners. The third job at risk is video editors and graphic designers. Tools like Runway ML, Sora, and Canva AI can now create full ads, videos, and social media graphics with minimal human help. The fourth is the paralegals and legal assistants. AI legal tools can draft contracts, summarize case laws, and predict outcomes faster than human lawyers or teams. The fifth job at risk is data entry clerk. Automated AI systems are eliminating manual tasks completely. If you've been wondering which jobs AI will replace first, this is it. And it's only the beginning. Quick question though, can AI completely replace human jobs? Short answer to that is not all. AI is great at repetitive structured tasks, but jobs that need creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem solving are much harder to automate. That's where your advantage lies. So the following are industries safe from AI disruption in 2025. 1. We have the mental health services. 2. We have the skilled trades like electricians and plumbers, entrepreneurship and content creation. We have strategic leadership and decision-making roles, AI trainers and prompt engineers. So these jobs are not at risk at all. If your job requires empathy, strategy, or creativity, you are already ahead of the curve. Here is how to future-proof your career so that AI doesn't take it away. First, you need to upskill fast. Learn to work with AI tools like ChatGPT, Sora, and Midjourney. Master the prompt engineering and automation workflows. Second, pick a future-proof skills. Focus on creativity, critical thinking, leadership, and emotional intelligence. Third, build your personal brand. Start by publishing your ideas, whether it is on YouTube, LinkedIn, or TikTok. Becoming known will set you apart. In 2025, the people who adapt fast will dominate. You either learn to master AI tools or AI will master your career. The world is moving at a lightning speed. You can wait and hope you are not impacted, or you can evolve, innovate, and lead. The future is coming and it's not waiting for anyone. The choice is yours. Comment below if you are worried about AI taking over your job in 2025. I want to hear your thoughts and your general experience using AI. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more AI and future of work content, and watch my next video on the top 10 AI tools you must master in 2025. So let's get this future ready together. See you in the next video. Peace.